Hello, I'm Hayley. I've teamed up with Dame, who are all about sustainable period care that's better for people and our planet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Dame period cups. I use period cups because for me, I always find that I'm out and about too much with wearing tampons, and I always feel like I don't always get the time to be able to go to the toilet and change the tampon, whereas this you can keep in for a lot longer, and I don't leak using these, which is a 10 out of 10 situation for me. And now I'm going to show you how to insert this into your vagina. Vagina, love saying that. First things first, wash your hands. Okay, there are 3 different ways to fold the cup. The C-fold, this is the easiest one people start with. The 7-fold, like this. And then the punch down. Might want to rebrand that name. I mean, I don't know if I'd want to punch down anything that's going near my vagina. There are 3 positions for easy insertion. We have the squat, the leg up, and sitting on the toilet. We're going to start by folding the cup and then inserting it into the vagina like this. And you might find that wetting the cup or using a bit of lube helps it get in there a little bit easier. And it's best to experiment, see what works for you. So many videos make it look easy. Sometimes it can be, but sometimes it just isn't. Welcome to having a body. Once you've inserted the cup, check for any folds, which means the cup is not properly sealed. Pull gently to check you've got that lovely little vacuum seal. Okay, so just so you can visualize this, a tampon goes in here, a cup just sits about here. When the cup is inserted properly, it should feel round or oval and shouldn't have any noticeable folds. The stem can be all the way inside you or slightly out. The most important thing to remember is to take it slow. Your pelvic muscles can contract, which makes insertion more difficult if you're stressed. Why don't we try some deep breathing? Couple of breaths in, couple of breaths out, or we could try it after a warm bath. So once you've inserted the cup, you shouldn't actually be able to feel it at all. And you can wear it for up to 12 hours. Perfect for long days and also cheeky lions. And you can also wear it while you're exercising or swimming. So it shouldn't actually hurt at all. And if you have any difficulty peeing, it just means that it's not quite in the right position. Because it forms a seal, no blood can get out when you're wearing your trusty little white trousers or whatever you're wearing while you're on your period. Anyone got any preferred period outfits? A onesie? Okay, so now we're in the bathroom. We're gonna start by washing our hands. Then sit yourself on the toilet and squeeze on the base of the cup just to break that seal. Now this is the important bit. Do not pull on the stem. The cup is vacuum sealed, so pulling, it's not really gonna do anything, apart from maybe feel a little bit weird. Is it gonna suck my insides out? Wait, no, that's physically impossible. Yeah, sure, my bits aren't going anywhere. Moving swiftly on. Removing the cup can take longer than expected, and don't I know it. But you will get there. Just remember, it might get a bit messy, so it's a good idea to try it in the shower so you can just wash up afterwards. So, you remove the cup like this, and it's okay if you have to put your fingers in quite far to reach it. Also, if you see where the cup is, there is literally nowhere else it can go, so it definitely can't get lost inside you. Do period cups have GPS? Take out the cup, keep it upright, and then pour the contents into the toilet, and hey presto, you are done. So you might want to change your cup more regularly when you're starting out, just to get a feel for your flow. I think it's worth wearing some period pants or a pad while you're getting used to wearing the cup, just to give you that extra peace of mind. Once you've successfully taken the cup out, you just need to rinse it under water or wipe it with loo roll if you're out and about. Just make sure you clean the 4 holes at the top of the cup. If you fill it with water and then do this, it squirts water through the holes and gets it squeaky clean. If you were using any other cup, No shade. You'd have to boil it for 5 to 7 minutes to sanitize it before your first wear and then between each period. Not ideal. But Dane cups are made with special self-sanitizing Sani polymers. They basically stop bacteria from being able to hang out on the cup and have a nice time. Important bit though, do not boil, dishwash, or use harsh chemicals to clean your cup, or it's just going to stop all that good self-sanitizing Sani polymer stuff. Just rinse it with warm water, and between periods, pop your cup in this handy little Dame storage bag. This bag is pretty fancy if you ask me. It fits very nicely in there, and you can just whack that over your shoulder and run away from home. Honestly, it can take a few tries to get used to wearing a cup. Take it from someone who definitely took quite a few tries. So don't worry if you don't get it straight away. It's definitely a bit of a learning thing. If you have any questions, email Dame's customer care team and they will lend a hand. Well, not a hand, that would be inappropriate, but they will help. Good luck, stick with it, because I promise a period cup can actually change your life. Think of all the money you'll save, the holidays you can go on, not needing to buy, any other period products for years. If you have any tips, ideas, or you just want to scream into the void about your period cramps, please do get in touch. And happy bleeding.